Thinking about buying a brand new home in the Boise area? Whether you want a custom build or a move in ready new construction, I've got you covered. Hi, I'm Delaney, a local real estate expert specializing in new construction homes across the Treasure Valley. I help buyers just like you navigate the home building process, find the best builder incentives, and secure the perfect home, all without any added stress. Welcome to the Garnet, a home designed with space, comfort, and functionality in mind. Whether you need room for family, guests, or just a little extra space to work and relax, this home has it all. Step inside and immediately feel the openness of the Garnet. The main level features a spacious den, perfect for a home office or extra living space. And just wait until you see the heart of the home. This wide open kitchen flows seamlessly into the light-filled family room, making it ideal for entertaining. Upstairs, there's even more to love. A large loft gives you extra flexibility, whether it's a playroom, media space, or just a cozy retreat. And with 4 generously sized bedrooms, there's plenty of space for everyone. Now let's talk about the primary suite, your private escape. With a spacious layout, plenty of natural light, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom, this is the perfect place to unwind after a long day. And let's not forget the Garnet's most desirable feature, the option for a tandem 3-car garage. Whether you need extra storage, a workshop, or a room for all your gear, this space has you covered. Ready to see the Garnet in person? Let's schedule a tour. If you're thinking of buying, building, or investing in new construction, hit that subscribe button and check out the link in the description to get all the latest updates sent straight to your inbox.